This is Michael Wilson. We're looking at embracing our divine citizenship, being united in the household of God. Let's do it. We often find ourselves feeling like strangers and aliens in a world that is in a constant state of flux. The challenges and uncertainties we face can sometimes make us feel disconnected, lonely, and alone. Yet there is a profound message of hope and unity found in the words of the Apostle Paul. Let's explore the richness of this verse and the power of the Holy Spirit in shaping our identity as citizens of God's household. So Paul says, so then, you are no longer strangers and aliens, but you are fellow citizens with the saints and members of the household of God. So we have a new identity. The Apostle Paul's words in Ephesians 2:19 carry a transformative message for all believers. They remind us that as followers of Jesus the Messiah, we are no longer estranged from God, but have been welcomed into his divine family. We are no longer strangers, but fellow citizens, and not just ordinary citizens, but members of God's household. This new identity is not defined by the world, but by our relationship with the creator of the universe. So we have the power of unity. The concept of being fellow citizens and members of God's household emphasizes the unity and community among believers. It signifies that we are part of something much bigger than ourselves. The power of the Holy Spirit plays a crucial role in knitting our hearts together and creating a strong and unbreakable bond among us. Just as the diverse parts of a human body work in harmony, the members of God's household are intricately connected through the Holy Spirit. So we are citizens with the saints. Not only are we fellow citizens, we're also fellow citizens with the saints. The saints are the men and women of faith who have gone before us, leaving a legacy of devotion and service to God. The Holy Spirit unites us with a great cloud of witnesses, connecting across time and space. So the saints serve as our spiritual mentors, teaching us through their examples and their writings. Their stories of perseverance, faith, unwavering commitment to God can inspire and guide us in our own spiritual journeys. So Ephesians 2:19 is a reminder that as followers of Jesus the Messiah, we are no longer strangers and aliens, but part of a divine family. We are fellow citizens with the saints and members of the household of God. So let this verse serve as a source of inspiration and encouragement. Embrace your identity as a citizen of God's household, and remember that you're united with believers from all walks of life. And that's some mighty good news, brothers and sisters.